Okay, I have CCl4. So my first step is to calculate how many total valence electrons. So carbon, I only have one. I know this because there's no subscript next to it, so it just means one atom. And carbon is in group 14, so it has 4 valence electrons equals 4 valence electrons. 1 times 4 is 4. Chlorine, I have 4 atoms of chlorine. Is in group 17, so that means it has 7 valence electrons, so that means 28 valence electrons for chlorine. Now I have to add these up. 28 plus 4 is I have to have a drawing that represents 32 valence electrons. Next, I'm going to draw my skeleton structure. So I only have one C, so I'm going to put that in the middle. I have 4 Cl's, Cl, 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 Cl. Great. Next, I am going to add 6 valence electrons to each atom. Okay. Now, I'm going to check my central atom. If it satisfies the octet rule, I'm done. Remember, each one of these lines represents 2 valence electrons, so that's 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. I am going to double check my answers and make sure all of these add up to 32. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Oops, found a mistake. 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So now I am done.